Hey everybody, Technical Wizard here, and today I have my old Power Macintosh 7200/75 that I got about 2 years ago in June, I think June 18th, I believe, from a thrift store with a bunch of other Macs. This unit ran really good when I got it. Had OS 8.5. It was a little slow, but then I upgraded it to OS 8.6, I think, in last year. And it's been sitting around for a while over here, so I dug it out today and powered it up, and it runs like garbage now. So I figured, why not swap out this 500 megabyte Quantum Pro drive for this Seagate Hawk hard drive, 1 gigabyte. Because according to the dates, this one may be larger, I'm not sure. But looked at the dates, it said 1 gigabyte. So we're going to go ahead and swap out these drives out of this Mac. And I'm going to save this drive, of course, because it's got some apps and stuff on it. But go ahead and shut her off and we'll get started. Okay, here we are, all opened up. This is the stock 500 megabyte hard drive, Quantum Pro drive. I believe it's a Maverick or something. Not quite sure, but it's coming out. I'm trying to figure out how the heck you open this up. Let's see here. I think this is the way you open it. Ooh, it's got rust on there. That's good. Never noticed it. Trying to make sure I do this the right way. Not sure if you're supposed to take all that off. Whoa, look at all that rust. I have to clean that off before I put this thing back together. Let's see. Okay. Put the camera down for a second because I gotta use 2 hands to unplug this. Alright. Here's the Quantum Pro drive out. Bottom of it. Just gotta take these screws off and put the sled on the other one. We'll be good to go. Okay guys, the hard drive is in. Didn't really feel like filming the part of putting it in there because it wasn't that interesting. So let's go ahead and boot her up, which I'm gonna get my install CD to see if this computer will even pick up the hard drive first before I install anything on it. We're gonna install macOS 8.6. It's the oldest OS that I have. I don't have 8.5 or nothing. So let's see if he'll pick it up. Oh, heard it. Alright, let's see if she'll boot up with the CD. Okay, mouse is moving. Alright. Got the CD. Go ahead and let it boot up, see if we can pick the hard drive. Ugh, that just sounds sad. Alright, let's go ahead and open the drive setup. See if we'll be getting anywheres. That CD drive just sounds sad, I swear. Okay, here's this hard drive crunching. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, it picked it up. Cool. Let's go ahead and initialize it. And ignore where it says iMac install. This CD is for an iMac, but you know what? It works with any old Macintosh, so who cares? Go ahead and title this hard drive Macintosh HD. Kill. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install macOS 8.6 onto this drive. Yeah, hear that thing? And it's a little quieter than the other one, but it's still kind of noisy. Ooh, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this will work. Okay, now we got the little watch thingy, the loading thing. This hard drive is 1 gigabyte, the old one's 500 megabytes, as I may have already said. This processor is 75 megahertz, so how it will run on a clean hard drive, I'm not sure. But I bet it's not going to be any better, because it runs bad enough on the Quantum hard drive. Let's see here. Customize. Quick Draw GX. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and install everything I can, all the extensions and stuff. So, till it gets done. Well, guys, it's at the 30-minute mark for installing macOS 8.6. It's taken too dang long, so I think I'm gonna hit the sack for tonight. So tomorrow, when I wake up, this will conclude. So stay tuned, folks.